There are different ways you can graph a sine or cosine function. The first strategy you're going to explore is using transformations to graph the function y equals 3 times the cosine of half x plus pi minus 2. You will start by plotting the graph of y equals the cosine of x. Using the rules you learned in the Transformations module, you are going to stretch the graph first. The parameter a corresponds to a vertical stretch by a factor of the absolute value of a. In this case, a is equal to 3. So stretch the graph by a factor of 3 about the x-axis. You will notice that the new amplitude is 3. Similarly, b corresponds to a horizontal stretch by a factor of 1 divided by b. In this case, b is 1/2, and 1 divided by 1/2 is 2. So apply a horizontal stretch about the y-axis by a factor of 2 to the graph. You'll notice that the new period is 4 pi. After completing all stretches, you can move on to translations. Look at parameter c next. Parameter c corresponds to a phase shift of c units to the right if c is positive, and to the left if c is negative. In the example, c is equal to negative pi. Remember, when written in standard form, you have x minus c, so x plus pi can be thought of as x minus negative pi. So there is a phase shift of pi units to the left. Finally, d corresponds to a vertical displacement of d units. In this case, d is negative 2, so you will get a vertical translation down 2 units. You will notice the midline has moved to negative 2.